Hello everyone, welcome back to Shuffle Productions.
Hello!
We're going to be playing some Minecraft Vanilla with the Scots, and we have a nice Christmassy texture pack going, just so that we look nice and pretty and Christmassy. So, are we ready to go? Let's go. Let's do this.
Don't do that, Pat. Pat just hit me.
So, we haven't been doing like recording and stuff for quite a while, because we've all been doing things.
Hey buddy.
So we're quite glad to finally be here.
Oh.
So, oh hey, Calum.
Hey. How you doing?
I'm good. How have you been?
Your skin looks funny.
Patrick's trying to kill me already. How is how's it been going?
It's been going fantastically. We've made some modifications to the roof to make it look a little
Pat.
Christmas.
I'm so sorry. Please don't kill me.
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
So, Pat, what have you been doing? How's life going? How's it chilling? How's it happening?
Terrible.
Well,
Look at this portal.
yeah, that's
Fantastic.
cool.
Can we go into the nether now?
Just gonna make.
You promised last video that we'd go into the nether.
Yeah, Calum,
That
we
is
promised.
true.
Shall we deposit some of our stuff before we head off?
I'll leave my
Nah,
my
let's just
diamond
go,
pickaxe. No,
I'm
I
gonna
haven't.
deposit some stuff.
I don't need a diamond pickaxe. I'll just leave it here.
Let's just go like.
Oh my gosh, the saplings
Cool.
look like Christmas trees. That's fantastic.
Dashing through the snow.
Oh, there's no room.
Yeah, there's no room either. Make
That
more
is
chests.
true, right? Last time we built the nether portal, didn't we? And then I dramatically said, "Let's do this."
I actually need to make food, though.
It was very dramatic. I'm gonna take 2 buckets of water.
I'm just gonna make food. One second. Wait on me. Roast chicken, raw. All right. I'll cook some rabbits.
Right.
Right.
Remember, right, Pat, what you want to do is take tons and tons of...
So we
stuff.
are deeply sorry, aren't we, that we haven't been uploading?
I'm not.
Totally.
It's not my responsibility. I take no responsibility. I'm kidding.
We would be more inclined to upload if the internet was.
Has anyone got any wood?
Yes. We would.
Because wood is
Have you
important.
guys seen the sugar canes? They're like
Yeah, they're like...
the candy canes.
'cause I'm gonna kill you.
That's so cool. I like how we're like all like really Christmassy, and now we're going to the nether.
Okay. Truce,
Yeah?
truce.
Truce?
I'm so sorry.
Fair enough.
Have some chicken.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Thank you, friend. Have some bread.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Okay, right. Are we ready?
I think so. Are we all in full
I keep
iron?
dropping my stuff. I keep thinking I'm playing WoW, and I keep pressing Q to strafe. Can I get my sword back? Whoever picked up
Did I pick it up?
iron sword.
I
I have a
picked it
spare
up,
one
yeah.
if you want one.
It's
Oh, it's there.
Oh, there's a zombie, and he's got a Santa hat on.
Oh, there's also a
Oh,
skeleton.
no.
that's trying to
Oh,
kill
that's
us.
so cool.
Let's go.
Oh, sorry.
Did
Oh,
you hit-
sorry.
You hit.
We're all just hitting. This one has
Right,
a yellow
okay,
Santa hat.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay! Monster Hunter.
Let's go.
I've already killed tons of things. Let's go.
To the nether.
Do dramatic, let's go.
Come
Let's
on.
do this.
Okay.
let's
And-
never do anything dramatic like that again.
Okay,
Never.
Never.
and we're
ever
still
again.
waiting.
Is anyone in yet?
Yeah, it's because the server's having to create the nether for the first time.
Well, ladies and gents,
So
we'll take a short break
Um,
while waiting.
Yep.
here,
Oh.
Yay!
we are.
Right. Be careful.
In
There might
the
be
most
lava.
un-Christmassy
Let's
place.
go kill some stuff.
Nether quartz,
Right,
right?
Patrick, don't attack anything that doesn't attack you first.
Yes, Patrick, come back. We need to.
Sorry, I saw some pigs.
No, don't attack them, don't attack
I'm
them, don't
joking.
attack them,
I
don't
know.
attack them, don't attack them, Right.
Oh my
You
gosh.
see this stuff here?
I need to put my brightness up.
Is that over?
Yeah, we want to mine it.
I can't
Okay.
mine it.
Oh, neither can I.
Oh wait, it's
oh, no,
just
I can't.
lag.
Yeah.
Of course it's lag. Oh, we're gonna make such a beautiful base with all this quartz.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, have we ever told them how slow the internet is?
69
I think
kilobytes a second.
probably like
69
Every
kilobytes
day.
a second.
every
Yeah.
time.
We get super slow internet here.
No we don't. You do.
Crying shame.
Well,
because
we're all here together.
lava.
But it's fine, we're getting fibre optic in
Yay.
March, right?
And what?
Well,
In
I'm
March.
getting it in fibre. I'm getting it in March. See if I
I love
attack
this
zombie
Oops.
pigmen, will
Ah.
anyone be really mad?
Yes,
Sorry, I hit you with my
Okay.
pickaxe.
but I would help.
I'm deeply sorry.
You should be, Patrick.
Oh, there's lava down there. Right, well, we go and explore and like try
Yeah.
and find
So don't
That-
attack
Can someone
anything
take
that
note
that
of the
doesn't attack you
coordinates?
first.
Because
Oh, I found one.
We
Don't
wanna-
attack
was
anything that doesn't
so
attack you
easy,
first.
Calum.
What?
I found a fortress already.
Oh,
Really?
nope, I'm
Yeah.
dead. I'm dead.
Someone
I'm dead.
would have thought
I'm
we'd
dead.
already planned it.
I'm dead.
Is there
I'm
a
dead.
ghast?
I'm dead.
I heard
They're
a
attacking me. They're attacking me.
What did you do?
I attacked them.
I feel like I
What
should
did we
probably
say?
go and see this.
Well, I killed them with my pro emojis.
Look at their swords. Oh, he's coming towards me. Oh, they're coming towards me.
Are they hostile now?
yeah,
think so,
they're
you-
hostile.
You made them hostile.
I'm so sorry. I really
I'll tell
didn't
you an
mean to.
interesting Minecraft fact, Patrick. If a pig gets struck by lightning in the normal world, it gets turned into a zombie pigman.
Can we do that? Can we test that theory out?
Can you strike people down with lightning?
I am
yes.
Thor.
Right.
Where are you?
Um,
I'm lost. I'm at the portal,
Well, that
guys.
was
me-
fun, wasn't it?
I
can
found
we go
you.
into the
I'm back
fortress?
here.
Let's go
Yes,
to the
let's definitely go
I'll
into the
make
fortress.
I'll make a staircase.
I'll just follow you guys.
Oh, Pat's a fortress noob. I
Oh,
think he's
okay.
just generally a noob.
Right, Pat. See this thing where we're going into?
We're gonna
Yeah.
die a lot.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of bad things here.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wee.
Right, which way are we going? We're going left.
Straight ahead, because there's blazes, but they're like candy canes, and they
Oh,
look really
wow.
cool.
Oh no! I
We're
don't.
gonna die.
I really don't like these.
Oh no, get it back over the. Let it come up.
Oh no!
Oh god!
Oh no! Zombie pigman down there! There's zombie pigman! No, I'm gonna die! I have half a heart!
Calum,
Half a heart!
I'm running away
no.
from you. I'm so sorry.
I have half a heart!
It's okay, Calum. I'll put a water stream down so that you can.
Okay.
Yeah, but you
Oh.
can't place
It
water.
didn't work,
You can't
no.
place water in the nether.
Oh my gosh! I'm just watching.
There's more blazes. There's more blazes.
are they? Where are
Okay,
they,
I'm going
Pat?
back to the portal, guys. I love you all. I'm gonna.
Oh no, I died.
I'm just standing on the edge.
I need to get all my
looking
stuff.
down.
I need to get all my stuff.
We'll get your stuff for you.
No, you won't, because I won't get half of it back.
Yes, you will.
Right,
No.
Pat. Don't
Right.
knock me out. No, Patrick! Why would you do that? Why? Oh my gosh! What the heck?
You killed
killed
it.
the blaze.
You
I
killed
killed
it.
the
There we
blaze.
go.
I'm fighting.
Calum, no,
noobs.
that's Pat. That's Pat.
I'm on 2.5 hours.
Why were you not happy to see me?
Patrick, why do you have to be like the orchestrator of all my pain?
That's fine.
Name that quote.
I'm Gul'dan.
The orchestrator of all your
Okay, I found all my stuff.
Come on. Piggy. He's running away from me. Futile beast. Oh, nugget.
Oh, I got an achievement.
Oh, they want to attack me. They want to attack me.
They don't want to attack me now because they like me now.
No. No.
Huh?
I'm really sorry about everything. I
Oh,
There we go.
yeah.
Are you indeed?
Remember all that free stuff I'm giving you, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
free
later
stuff.
confirmed series, which we will not confirm. Even
Which
though,
we won't.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh! Did you see that crit hit? Like jump hit, not straight off the cliff.
Oh no, I
I'm
lost-
at 2 health.
I
I'm
lost
at 2
all my-
health.
Hey,
I
I'll
lost all
protect
my
you,
dirt.
Someone
Daddy.
give me food. Someone give me
You
food.
had chicken.
I ate all my chicken.
Why did you?
Oh, I found a chicken on the floor and I picked it up. It must have been
Oops. Oh, I keep pressing
I'm
Q
like tanking.
because of a certain MMO that we play.
that we
Where the
bought.
str-
Other MMOs are
That we
available.
have-
I'm at 1. I'm dead. FS.
Oh my gosh.
I swear, I was
guys.
trying to protect you.
Yeah.
I really
Is
was.
I bet you hit me in
I
the
really
back,
was.
you traitor.
See if we did like
Do I have
dual
arrows?
screen recording, you'd see.
Right, I'm gonna do some pro sniping.
Ah! I'm
Right.
dying.
I'm just gonna make.
Karma.
Oh, there's a
Alright.
wither skeleton. It's
So,
coming
do you
for
guys
me.
have my stuff or?
Ah!
Oh well, I'll
There's
just
a wither
venture
skeleton.
into
Yeah,
the
I'm gonna
nether
die.
with
The
nothing.
lag is gonna kill me.
There's a wither skeleton that's coming to get me. Oh no!
Oh, I'm dead. That was
Well,
fantastic.
can we just never
Continue
go
game
back?
plan, guys.
I'm gonna
keep
die if I
forgetting.
do this.
Let's build a house in the nether.
That I can
It's
take
a really
it.
nice
guys,
place.
I'm dead again.
Oh right, this was a bad plan.
It was a
This
great
such a
plan.
bad plan.
It was a great plan.
It was the
Now I
worst
can
plan
steal all your
I've ever
stuff.
had.
Yeah, but you don't know where I died, so
And there's 2 blazes about to kill me.
I can't believe you.
we
Patrick.
weren't prepared for this. Were
You just
we?
completely
We
ruined
Oh, I'm dead.
this entire trip.
I'm
we
dead.
Really, we did not prepare for this. This was like that time.
It's
Calum,
two.
remember that? Right, there was this time me and Calum went to the Nether, and we just don't speak of it now.
We just lost so much stuff, guys.
Patrick, leave my stuff alone.
I'm just desperately gonna run into like a blaze spawner where I died and hope that all my stuff is still there.
Oh, where's all my stuff?
What did you have?
I had a full set of iron, of which I have.
I do not have.
Do you need boots?
I need boots.
I hate this game.
I need
There's
helmet top.
okay. I've got Calum's helmet.
You've got my helmet.
What
Yeah,
about my
I'll
helmet?
give it to you.
How'd you have my helmet?
Because you died.
Yeah, but I died like upstairs in like the bridge.
Oh, there's a chest piece
dude,
here.
what? No.
There's a chest piece here.
Is it an iron chest piece?
They
Yeah.
attacked me.
Oh, maybe all my stuff fell off the edge.
There's a chest piece. Right
Why are
there.
they attacking
There
me?
you go.
Stop attacking me!
Well, I'm running
Leave
away
me alone!
from
Leave me
you.
alone!
This is gonna be.
There's 3 of them.
When you're so desperate that you have to use iron ore.
No,
Two.
there's
Patrick,
zombie pigmen.
please.
There's
Two.
zombie pigmen chasing me. No, no,
They're
no,
all
no, 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 no.
I've killed
There's a
one.
blaze. No, there's another zombie pigman. No, I'm gonna die.
Oh no! Oh, worst day ever.
No, I will survive this.
Right, guys.
I
we need to
use you as
combine
a
forces.
sacrifice. I'm so sorry. I'm
Don't
going
die.
back.
No, it's a magma cube.
We need to just grab our stuff then run.
Yeah, I'm running back, guys.
Did you not grab anyone's stuff?
I've got some other people's stuff. I think.
Right, nice.
No, no.
Oh, you scrubs.
You call me a scrub? You're the one that killed us both. like a few times.
It was my fault that they all started
The
attacking
zombie
us.
pigmen are
I'm
still
already
trying to
gonna
kill me.
get so salty.
Why are they still trying to kill me?
Ah,
I don't
I
get it.
blame you.
I'm gonna take the remaining iron and make myself full.
Oh, there's a ghast somewhere.
No, you're not. You're
I can feel
not.
it. I can feel it.
You're not.
No one's here to stop me.
Ah!
I'm joking. I only have 15. Okay.
I'm running.
Callum,
There's
are you,
like
are you
5
s-
of them.
Are you still here in the Nether?
I'm just running in circles. Trying to get.
Pro Minecraft.
There's a blaze.
players. We are pro Minecraft players. What is going on?
I don't know what to do.
I'm
Oh,
alive.
I'm
I've
so
got
close
the
to dying.
I've got the nether quartz that you asked me to get.
So close to dying.
I need food though.
I don't care.
Oh, there's like literally. I'm gonna give up on the nether because there's like
I cheated.
literally no way.
You cheat. No. It's
Callum,
fine. We cheated
no.
before.
Callum, we agreed not to.
Oh, the music is starting. All the cheery
I'm on
Christmas
one and a
music.
half heart.
Du- 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 du-
Bye,
du-
bye, Callum.
I'm running. No, don't say it. Don't say it. No, come back.
I'm gonna destroy the portal on the other side.
No, Callum, no.
We're sealing off.
Callum,
the Nether.
no.
We're sealing off.
No.
All right, I'm
Please
gonna
no.
break the portal.
Please.
Goodbye.
Please.
I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that to you.
Oh, I made it. I've lost all my bread. I had that
Do you
bread.
want some bread?
No, don't kill me.
No, there's a bread.
How much bread do you have?
I lost a lot
17,
of
but I'm
stuff.
keeping 2.
Really,
because
that's
I-
my bread.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just eating the bread
Oh,
to restore
thank
my
you.
health.
Thank
There you
you.
go.
Oh, that was
Whoever
so
dropped the
stressful.
bread, I'm eating it as well.
I don't
so,
really care. Right,
uh,
it's time to.
my gosh, right. We're not going to the Nether for ages now. We're going to prepare, like properly prepare for the Nether.
Right,
With a
that
full
was a
diamond
mistake.
enchanted.
Oh,
Speaking
the
of,
Nether's not even that hard. I think it was just because we went into a
I
fortress
don't know
so
what
unprepared.
happened. We just died.
I think we were just unprepared.
So
So
quickly.
really. Callum, you're the master. Give us a Christmas challenge. Give me and Pat a Christmas challenge.
I want you to make the best. I will help. The best Christmas tree that you possibly can.
Right, time to cut down this tree.
Did you by any chance see that YouTube video
Yep.
that other YouTubers we watch uploaded? Okay.
We're gonna.
I'm
Alright,
glad I
I'm
made
gonna
so
go
many
get some
extra
shears then.
pickaxes. Guys, did we get any gold nuggets while we were out there?
I think I have.
I quite possibly did.
I have
got,
one.
I've got 8.
I've
Give
got
me
one.
that one. Give me that
I
one.
lost a small chunk of my things when I died. I
So
couldn't
did I.
recover
Same.
all of it.
Well, at least we didn't lose the diamond pickaxe, right?
Did we?
No.
Wait, did we?
Oh,
we
thank
didn't.
goodness.
I left it here, safe and sound.
Okay.
It's in the one that's farthest away from the door. I think.
Oh my gosh, that was so. I lost my bucket.
are you sure?
no.
Someone use it to mine some stuff. I'm
Oh,
gonna
yes,
go
right,
make
right.
a tree.
I'm gonna put it in a chest upstairs so
Can't
that we
believe I
know
lost
where.
Do we
my
have
bucket.
shears somewhere? Somewhere.
I found yours in the chest. You can probably make some. They're not difficult to make.
How does one make shears?
Right, guys, shall we make just a bunch of torches?
How does one make
It's
shears?
One or two iron.
2 iron, if I'm not mistaken.
Pat.
In what combination?
Just in a diagonal line, 2 iron, and you should be fine. Callum, do you want to see what my present looks like?
Yes. Oh dear.
Callum,
If it's anything dirty.
Callum,
Oh.